Hey everyone, welcome back. And in this video, I am going to show you how to install Docker and Docker Compose on Kali Linux the right way without running into any of the unusual repo or package error. So let's dive in. And yes, all the comments are posted in the description below, so you can just copy paste and follow along. So first step, you need to update and upgrade your package. Okay. Then remove broken Docker source. First, let's clean up any broken or incorrect Docker repository that Kali might be using. If you have tried installing Docker before and it failed, Kali might be leftover repo file pointing in the Kali rolling, which Docker doesn't support. So we need to clean up that. Run this command to delete any existing Docker repo list that might be misconfigured. Sudo rm cpt sources.list. Docker.list. Okay. Now add Docker official repo for Debian breakdown. So Kali is based on Debian, but Docker doesn't recognize Kali directly. So we will Debian 12s codename bookworm command. Then add docker dpkg key. This ensure package authenticacy when download from the Docker repo. Okay. And now update install and Docker. So now update your package and install everything, including Docker Compose plugin. Okay. Okay. Now let's make sure Docker is actually running correctly on your system. To do that, we need to check status of Docker socket service. It allows the Docker CLI to talk on the Docker daemon. Okay. Systemctl status Docker socket. If everything working, you should see something like active listening in green. So that's mean Docker is ready to accept command. First, finally, text Docker. So run the hello world container to make sure it's working. Sudo docker run. Okay, here you can see full complete. If you use Docker without sudo, so this step let you run Docker without typing sudo in every time. Let's command sudo docker user. Okay, that's it. You need to have Docker and Docker Compose installed on Kali Linux the right way, like subscribe and drop a comment. If you want tutorial on running security tools like Wazoo, Snot or Suricata in Docker, see you in the next one. Thank you.